Episode 204, First Principles Continued, Mindset. This is the World Organic News for the week ending the 24th of February 2020. John Moore reporting. Decarbonise the air, recarbonise the soil. The growing of soil, the apparent apathy towards action on climate change in some parts of the world, and the need to do something now has me in a reflective state of mind. Mindset is critical to the process of removing weeds from the land you are caring for. It takes time, takes the correct actions too, but essentially it's a matter of mindset. Yes, I have weeds to deal with. No, I probably won't solve the problem overnight, in a week or even a season, but I will work with the ecology of the weed to remove that weed. That all sounds a bit Jedi, I know, but it really works. Holding on to the plan based upon the life cycle of the weed when everyone else in the district is splashing about with the glyphosate takes some courage of your convictions. This gives you a hint of what it can take to try things a little or a lot outside the conventional viewpoint. Given that the conventional industrial way of growing food has us in our current situation, well, not just the food obviously, the whole industrial system of production is a problem. We're not here for that today though. So assuming that you want to make a real difference, and we've chosen the no-dig route, know that we will be attacked, derided and watched closely. The last part is the part to remember. You will be watched. In the watching is another opportunity to teach, by example, and change the world. This has been going on at work. I suspect my methods have never been seen by my co-workers before. Lots of head scratching, lots of intelligent questions, and offers to spray the, in inverted commas, weeds between the potatoes. It is a thing to know that I am both being judged for different methods and supported to make everything look like it's supposed to, again in inverted commas. I must point out that those suggestions have dried up and withered on the vine as the food gardens have gone gangbusters. It was all a little trying because, I'm new in the climate zone, not sure of the weather patterns, and keeping my fingers crossed that nothing out of the ordinary, or perhaps more accurately, outside my experience, would turn up. And thankfully it didn't. So as you move further along your journey, know you actually have the skills to change the world. You will learn more as you go, but you have the heart to make a difference. Maintain the rage, as they say in the classics. A mantra I kept repeating to myself as the garden beds were built, the land fenced, and the planting plan evolved and the seeds were in was, plan the garden, garden the plan. This had the effect of keeping my mind clear and the focus on the plants. They will always tell us if there's an issue we need to deal with. And this did happen in the glasshouse when the whitefly arrived. It's only the second time I've had to deal with this beastie. There are very few predators of whitefly and none arrived in the glasshouse, so I went for the neem oil. It was supposed to kill the eggs as well as the flies, but it appeared to have not done so. So I sprayed 3 days straight, and I removed the deeply infected climbing beans to the compost, and it all seems to have worked. And all of this, of course, was organically done. The neem oil is a safe spray to use. But sprays I find are a last resort, and there was nothing left to use, so we sprayed. Worry wouldn't help. Staying clear in my mind and knowing that I won't win every trick is also part of the game, and that's okay too. There's lots more on this in the free ebook over at worldorganicnews.com. Just drop your email and first name into the form on the front page to get your copy of the No Dig Gardening book for free. The techniques and examples there will help you to feed yourself and your loved ones and to decarbonise the air and recarbonise the soil. Thank you all for listening. I know this has been a short one, but I'll be back next week.